What's up guys, and welcome to SDC Investing. I'm not sure how you found this video in the depths of the YouTube video list, which I'm not sure if they even get recommended, but well, anyways, I'm obviously new to the YouTube scene and starting out, so I would greatly appreciate if you support the channel with, what do you call them, likes? Yeah, it's that little button with the thumbs up, like, yep, and subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. So anyways guys, in this video we'll go ahead and be taking a look at my overall portfolio as well as my top performing stock, which is top secret. I'm just kidding. Pretty obvious here, taking a look, it's obviously Tesla. Tesla is a big winner in my portfolio, and taking a look at its overall performance here, we can look at the 1 day mark. I'm up 12%, week 8%, 18%, month 21%, 3 month plus 126%. And of course at the 1 year that looks a little bit ridiculous, but basically, where is it, my market value, this is my total value of my position in Tesla currently. This looks to be the total amount I personally put of my own money into Tesla, and this is my total return off that. So pretty good returns. I have pulled a little bit out of Tesla here and there, and of course put some more back on. And recently we did see a pretty heavy dip. Let's go ahead and see here at the 1 month mark. It gives us a pretty good idea of how the stock was performing and then how it dipped. So it obviously, Tesla was just climbing up continually, and then it went through the stock split, and it peaked at, well, after the post split price that we can see here is 498, and from there it did drop all the way down to 330. I did get sweaty hands here, guys. I'm being totally honest, but obviously you just gotta keep the basics in your mind. Basically, long-term holding. Don't panic once the stock dips over the course of a few days. That's pretty common with a stock like Tesla. Tesla is known to be a little bit volatile, so it is going to have quite a bit of those up and downs in the short term, but over the long term, Tesla is pretty steadily increasing over time. So I have my trust in Tesla that they'll continue growing. So I've obviously held on to my shares. I haven't sold anything, and I'm actually looking to buy in. I was hoping to buy in a little bit sooner, but hey, better late than never, and it's still relatively a good price. Basically, currently it's at 423. We are in the aftermarket hours though, so we'll go ahead and have to see what price it is tomorrow and see what price we end up buying in at. But compared to where it peaked, 498, compared to where it is right now, 423, that looks like an awesome discount to me, which I'm definitely gonna be buying. I know my average cost per share is 256, so this would be going up after I buy in, because this averages out the total cost. And one important thing that a lot of investing gurus say, and a lot of investing YouTubers say, is of course dollar cost average. No matter how the market is performing, just buy in consistently what you can and what you can risk into buying into a stock that you would like to have. Just dollar cost average your way to the top. That's my mentality, and I'm more than happy to share my strategy with you guys so you guys can see for yourself and see how my overall portfolio has been performing. Tesla is of course the number one stock in my portfolio, but the way I got started is actually through dividend stocks. That's what motivated me and gave me that sense of security of jumping into the stock market, jumping in with something safe, especially this one right here, SPHG, super safe. Starting out, I didn't have thousands of dollars laying around. I probably had a few, $1,000 to $2,000 in my bank account, and that's pretty much like my life savings. So I wouldn't recommend anybody to go all in on investing if you're barely starting out. I would definitely recommend SPHG to start off. It's a relatively low price stock at $34, and if you don't even feel comfortable buying in at $34, you could even buy in a fraction, which still works. And the main reason why I liked SPHG for so long, and I still like it to this day, is because they're monthly paying dividend stock. They pay pretty much 15 cents per share every month, and that's dividend income, so it's tax free up to a certain amount. Plus, this stock itself, it's made up of, I believe, 50 different companies. So this one stock, you're already diversified. So it's safe, and it pays out a dividend monthly. So it's just free money there that you're able to get. But of course, coming over here to the big one, the big fish here, Tesla, of course. definitely my favorite. And I even recommend, Tesla's at a higher price, right? But there's something called fractional shares that through Robinhood, if you have a Robinhood account, you could sign up for that fractional shares feature. You just have to find it where it is. Sometimes they move it around. Sign up for the fractional shares feature. You might enter in a wait list, or you might already have the feature. So all depending on that, then you could put in an order. You could press buy, and it'll give you it should open up options for you to buy in terms of fractional shares. So you could literally put in as little as $5 into Tesla, so on and so forth, and just keep working your way up until you complete one whole Tesla share. That was my strategy early on, buying in a little bit until I completed my first Tesla share before the stock split. And now I'm in a little bit better position where I could buy in, whole Tesla shares. But buying stocks through fractional sharing is something that I'm still doing. As you can see here, I own a bunch of stocks, but I hold a little bit in each stock. I don't own the full stock. Like this one, it's 220, but I own 0.029, something of a fraction of it. So, and I own quite a bit, just to get my feet wet, see how they're performing, and then decide whether it's worth it to put a little bit more into it. But with that said, guys, I greatly appreciate your time. Thank you so much for joining this video. Really appreciate your time. And if you have any recommendations, anything that you're doing that you would like to share, feel free to drop that information down in the comments below so I can take a look at that. And anybody else interested, everybody's able to learn from each other. With that, I thank you all for watching. Please feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed the video. As always, invest safely, be safe, and have a wonderful day.